We just took it a 2007 Skyline Weekender 180W. It's a no-slide travel trailer that weighs just over 6,000 pounds. Let's go give it a tour. Well, hello and welcome back to another quick RV walkthrough. As always, my name's Taylor Quayle. We're here at Padada RV Center in Tucson, Arizona. And today we get a look at a little bit of an older coach. This is a 2007 Skyline Weekender 180W. It's a no-slide, double axle, just over 6,000 pound GVWR trailer. And what we're going to do, we're going to give it a full quick tour of the exterior, then jump inside and see what that has to offer. On the outside, we only have one exterior storage. It's this one in the back. And this one actually has a spare tire in there, so it's kind of hard to take full advantage of that when you do have a spare. It does have a 14-foot manual awning, as you can see right here. In the back is actually your water heater, 6-gallon water heater. This is a 30-amp power service coach with a single non-ducted AC. We got your dump station, saddle or cable connection, low point drains, furnace, fridge, exhaust for the microwave, a couple windows, of course. Got a sanitization, and there's of course your power cord, low point drain, potable water. It is a metal sided exterior. You'll see a couple dents and dings in there, and most of the decals are pretty faded, but that's kind of expected on a coach of this age. Manual tongue jack, couple propane tanks, and a single battery right there. Jumping inside, right when you walk in to the right, you have a jackknife sofa. It'll turn into a sleeper. And there is a little bit of storage under there, but there's also a water tank under there, so maybe not full storage. A little bit of storage up above. And you can see you got a little side table with some storage there too. Has a booth dinette, a rear queen corner bed, and a full kitchen. In the kitchen, dual bay sink, stovetop and an oven, microwave hood, CD player, pretty old school. And then you do have a 2-door Dometic fridge and freezer. This is a 3-way fridge. Across from that is an area to put a TV, more storage, AC right above us, 13,500 BTU on the AC, 17,000 BTU on the furnace. Technically, we got sleeping for up to 6 people. 1 sleeping area, 2 sleeping areas, jackknife, 3 sleeping areas. They're gonna say 2 on every single one. Wardrobe, pantry, whatever you want to use it for. You don't really have a wardrobe. They kind of did this little custom guy, but that's in the bed area. You may want to just take some shelves out. Personal preference if you even want a wardrobe. Your little vanity area is right before the bathroom, just left of the fridge. It does have a medicine cabinet and a little bit of storage down below. And last but not least is your bathroom. It does have a little baby tub in here. It is a little dark because the skylight does have a cover. Yeah, small complaint there. Selling price is $9,000, $89.95. I'll put all my contact info on the screen. If you have any questions, go ahead and reach out. Thank you so much for viewing. Hope you guys have a great day.